The ultimate Babyboo fashion reviews tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you're shopping for trendy, affordable fashion, most people get this wrong by picking items without checking fit, quality or style. The surprising truth about Babyboo fashion is that it offers cute, versatile clothing for all occasions, from casual wear to events. First, visit the Babyboo fashion website or app. You won't believe how many shoppers overlook categories. Filter by size, style, or collection to find the perfect outfits. Next, read reviews. Most people get this wrong by ignoring them. Verified user feedback reveals fit accuracy, fabric quality, and color consistency. This helps you avoid common pitfalls like ordering the wrong size or low-quality material. Check sizing charts carefully. The surprising truth is that sizing can differ between items. Measure yourself and compare to charts to ensure a comfortable, flattering fit. Look for deals and promotions. You won't believe how many people miss discounts. Babyboo Fashion regularly offers seasonal sales, bundle deals, or newsletter exclusive offers that can save you money. In conclusion, Babyboo Fashion can take you from zero to pro in online clothing shopping. By exploring categories, reading verified reviews, checking sizing charts, and hunting for deals, you can build a stylish, versatile wardrobe without the risk of wasted purchases.